While all of Canada grapples with the highest interest rates we've seen in years, top-performing brokers and realtors across the country are reporting that both the interest rate climate and lack of inventory are likely to result in softer markets this fall. We've had more of a balanced market this summer that resulted in home selling prices hovering in and around last year's numbers and dipping slightly compared to July 2022. The average home sale price in Toronto for detached homes is now $1,083,000, which is up by 0.32% from last summer of 2022. As of right now, we're approaching the last quarter of 2023. Detached homes are averaging around 1.4 million. Semi-detaches are 1.68 million. Townhouses average price is $935,000, and condos are averaging around $706,000. Home prices are up compared to last year. Home sales are down by about 5.2%. With about 5,294 homes sold compared to last year. This time there was 5,582 homes sold. New listings, however, are up by 16.2% compared to last summer, as currently there is 12,296 new listings, and last year there was 10,572 new listings. Although a few variables such as high borrowing costs continue to impact the housing market in August, although the Bank of Canada did hold key interest rates steady for this fall so that homeowners can save and buyers' pre-approvals wouldn't change. Even though home prices did drop a little for fear of another rate hike, homeowners and buyers could now be at ease for the fall. So what's happening on the west end of the GTA? Well, slower sales have reported across Halton, Hamilton, and Niagara markets. The Realtor Association of Hamilton-Burlington, RAB, reported 795 sales in the month of August, which is down 78 compared to last August when we saw 873 sales. The decline represents a year-to-date decline of about 11%. While sales have improved in the lower price ranges, they have not offset the declines driven by home priced above $800,000. As expected, higher lending rates continue to impact sales, especially for higher-priced properties. And even new listings have also slowed, keeping inventories in line with long-term trends. While conditions vary by location, property type, and price range are still shifting away from the overall tighter conditions experiencing during our spring months. Easing sales combined with relatively stable inventory levels caused the months of inventory trend upward, as we now have about 2.9 months of inventory, and this is as of the end of August 2023. Higher supply levels relative to sales activity likely weigh on home prices this fall. In August, the benchmark price reported falling to $863,000. That's approximately $10,000 less than the previous month, but still higher than the $857,000 that was reported in August in 2022. While all of Canada grapples with the highest interest rates we've seen in years, top-performing brokers and realtors across the country are reporting that both the interest rate climate and lack of inventory are likely to result in softer markets this fall. The national average residential sales price across all home types is expected to remain flat, with no change anticipated between now and at the end of the year. Average residential price is softening, but outliers include the larger markets where prices are expected to rise, such as the GTA. The Greater Toronto Area is expected to increase by 2.5%. 33% of Canadians interested in buying and selling a home in the next 12 months will wait and see how interest rate changes play out. Lack of affordability and housing inventory are the two key deterrents for current buyers from buying a home. 55% of Gen Z and 49% of millennials are changing their housing plans. 73% of Canadians still say that home ownership is the best long-term investment they can make. Based on RE/MAX's brokers and realtors' insights, 43% of housing markets in Canada are expected to be in the seller's market for the rest of 2023, while the rest are anticipated to experience a market mixed between balanced buyers and balanced sellers, depending on the location and the specific region. If you're thinking about relocating or moving to Toronto, please reach out and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe.